Kamusta mga kahabi? Tapos na tayo sa part 1. Abangan. Ito part 2. Andito pa tayo sa San Francisco, California. Don't forget to subscribe. Ayan, pinokus ko yung ano, ayan, sa rad ko, ayan. Andito tayo sa San Francisco, California. Yup. Yeah. Yan, focus ko kayo dyan sa California. Yan, ano ko, yan. Yan, dito tayo, yan. Dito tayo sa pier. Pier, yan, San Francisco, California. Nasa pier tayo, nasa pier. Kita niyo yan. Gandun, ang gandun. Yan. Golden Gate, yan, Golden Gate. Golden Gate, California. Yan, Pier 7. Yan, Pier 7. Ito yung bagong spot natin, you know. Ito yung dati natin spot. Nakahuli tayo marami. Nakahuli tayo dito ng 2 years. Yan. Yan, focus ko lang kayo, yan. Stay tuned mga kabi. Stay tuned mga kabi. Part 2 ng fishing natin, hobby dito sa San Francisco, California. Hit the please hit the notification bell and likes, you know. Yeah, this is part 2. Kahit walang huli, basta meron tayong upload. Part 2 ng ating upload video sa San Francisco, California. Sorry nga pala mga kahabi. Last upload natin about mussel harvesting, tahong harvesting. Pasensya na kayo, nawalan ako ng data. Hindi ako makapag-upload ng data. You know, please stay tuned, alright? Yeah, I got my video, YouTube. Oh, yeah. Your name.
I don't know.
Okay. Stay. Stay tuned, okay? Yeah. Subscribe, likes, and hit the notification bell. You know, just a search for Armando Bueno PH, Armando Bueno Official, Armando Bueno Hobby. Please subscribe, please. Thank you. Stay tuned, okay? good? You good? See you next month. Andiyan pa kayo mga kabi. Stay tuned, okay, thank you. Inom tayo ng Coke. Stay tuned. Ikot? No?
No, nothing.
Alright.
I want.
I don't want to take the video.
Oh. You take a wedding?
Yeah, huh?
You take a wedding for
No,
me?
no, no. I take my video from my PC right here. Yeah. No, you don't.
I want to ask you
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
I want to ask you something. You work in Home Depot, right?
Yeah, Hercules, Richmond.
No, Home Depot, right?
Yeah.
I want to ask you, do you have that one?
Mark, right? Your name Mark.
The tray, the charge. I think so. I want to buy the box, the charge.
Charge for what? Mark.
That one.
Oh, charges. Black Decker. Yeah.
You
And
have?
for your car.
Oh,
For your car.
no, for
Oh, welding.
welding. I have battery. The charge is the box. I don't have. Okay.
Say it again. If you have bags, come here because of the video. Okay, huh?
I have the battery.
Huh?
I have the battery. I have battery.
Battery. Yeah. Okay.
But I don't have the charge. The box.
The box of a battery,
Charge the box.
charger.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Charger you can hook up in your
I have everything.
everything, but the chargers
I
no
don't.
to charge, and then you can use your welding. No, where you're charging? You lost or?
Okay.
No, you need to go to a Black Decker company and call people. They know. Oh, why? Why? Get it. That's cheaper. What is it? It's too expensive for you? Yeah. Home Depot no cheaper, man. No, make some money, you know. Yeah, it said $55. Man, you know, it's hard to get that one. Any company, you know. Yeah. You need to order online, right? Yeah. You do that? Yeah. Hello, what?
I go to a free market.
Oh yeah, the market, yeah, that's the
I
better one.
go to a wedding.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can say the
No pit,
now no more.
no more.
Maybe
Oh,
later.
okay. Yeah. But man, 55 is that's too expensive. Yeah. But if you need, you know, what Home Depot you came? What Home Depot you come?
No, I go to Rose.
Those.
I go to Chinatown.
Yeah.
I go to
No Home Depot. No, Oakland. You try in Oakland and then tell the manager. You can order online. You know how much, you know, and then he's gonna tell you no. Sometimes.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
They're gonna help you. don't know.
Would you go back there this summer at all?
I just doing my video in my fishing. Yeah. And I do like this. The video like this. No, not in the page. Oh, yeah.
You know, open free market.
Oh yeah. Sure,
I like to go.
I not been there. I like to go there. Man, Dominic. Hey, cheap, right? I heard about that because I live in Lisbon. Cheap. $5. I need some bike, right? I told her, flea market. This time they have no flea market. Every next spring. When? Yeah. No, I mean when? March, April, the flea market again. March, April, May. Every day, every month. Oh, okay, man. See you around, Mark. Okay, you gonna go home?
Yeah, we for my friend.
Oh, your friend. Okay, simple one. Yeah, man. Thank you, man. Okay, you still there, my friend? Mga kahabi, stay tuned, okay? No bites. No bites, mga kahabi, be. Woo! I don't know. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned, mga kahabi. Stay tuned. Okay, thank you for watching, okay? Thank you for watching. Alright. No, no good. No. Woo. Good. No good. Maybe I gotta go home at 5 o'clock. 5. Enjoy, alright. I'm coming here next maybe March, coming back. Stay tuned, mga kaabi, okay? Maybe this part 2 of my video. Miski walang huli, mga kaabi. Just enjoy life, okay? You know? Enjoy, mga kaabi. Nga pala, I remind you, kanina pa ako dito mga 10 o'clock. I'm here like 10 o'clock or 9. Walang huli. Kahit isa. Hindi ko nga pala pakita sa inyo yung mga kaabi, yung huli kong na tahong. You got one? Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching pala. 15 minutes. Oh man, I got at the end of this video, man. Yeah. I go home. I go home at 5 something maybe. No. See you, sir.
Thank you.
See you around. Yeah, mga kaabi, hindi na ako nag-upload ng mahabang video ngayon kasi minsan wala akong data sa storage ko, like full still full, right? Sorry for that, for my phone's weak. Stay tuned, okay? Alright. Maybe sorry for that. This is my part 2 video, man. Just stay tuned, alright? Okay. Huwag nyo nga pala nakakalimutan na subscribe, right? And likes and hit the notification bell and check my contents and my YouTube channel, like Armando Bueno PH, Armando Bueno Official. Sama nyo na rin ng Armando Bueno Hobbies. Thank you. Stay tuned. Please comment whatever you want to comment. I'm waiting for you. Thank you for your watching. Inom tayo. Stay tuned. Maybe siguro outro na ako, mga kabi. Sorry for for my short video, okay? Kaka-bored. Walang huli. Balik tayo dito, mga kabi, maybe March or April. Tinanong ko yung Chinese dito, yung mga nagpipisher, mga OG na fishermen here. Sabi nila March or April, like spring or summer. Stay tuned, man. Balik tayo rito. Sorry, pap. Sorry, i-end ko na itong video na to. Likes and subscribe and hit the notification bell, mga kahabi. Sorry uli sa last video natin, like tahong harvesting and mussel harvesting. Nawalan tayo ng charge or my storage low. Sorry for wala akong outro. Hold on, 19 minutes na tayo. Try pa natin 10 minutes. Stay tuned, mga kaabi. Hold on, bago ako mag-outro, mga kahabi, check yun lang ang mga, bago tayo malis, check lang ang mga ang site, ang spot ng ating ng ating spot right now, right? Yan nga pala ang Pier 7 yan. Tapos stroke ko kayo, yan ang kaduktong ng Pier 7 na makikita nyo. Lalakihan na building. Yan, cruise ship San Francisco Bells. Yan pala ang Bay Bridge. Ikot ko kayo mga kahabi, okay? Yan. Ito nga pala yung old spot ko mga kahabi. I've been here like, I don't know, 5 years, something like that. I just check it out every time I miss it or something like that, you know, I come. If not, okay mga kahabi, stay tuned again. Meron na tayong 22 minutes. Stay tuned. Woo! Gonna go home. Yeah, 10 more minutes. Okay mga kahabi, dito ko na tatapusin ang ating video. Sana pakita ko muna yung ibon na maaking. Ayan mga ibon na. Pakita ko muna sa inyo. Ayan ang ibon na yan. Ibon na. Ayan na. Okay. Nakaka-23 minutes na tayo mga kahabi. Salamat sa viewer. Yan, kaibigan ko. Yan, kaibigan ko. Yan. Hi, Dami. Hi, Dami. Tapusin ko to mga kahabi. Tawag siguro. Style X Machina. Tapusin ko muna to. Tapusin ko to mga ating video. So, stay tuned sa part 2 ng ating video. Kahit wag na kayo mag-subscribe, i-like nyo na lang ako. Wala nang intro, wala nang outro. Bye!